So it's this kind of comments, is this kind of comments. They don't even make me angry, to be honest. What they make me is just, guys, are you really the thinkers that you think you are? I just want to address the Italians. I just want to talk to the Italians. Just get here, have some cold drink because I want to talk to you. First thing first, this is a commentary channel that comment on Big Brother house means. Post show, after show, everything that is happening in between Big Brother. So if you feel like my opinions are they unsettling you, they don't make you feel comfortable, you are free to unsubscribe and go and watch someone who is Tandega fan page. This is not Tandega fan page. I'm not fanning over her, and I will never fan over her. Saying that I hate Tandega, that's your opinion. And actually, am I forced to love her? I'm a human being. Telling me that I have to be neutral. I'm a commentary channel. I'm not a news reporter. I'm not signed under SABC. I'm not signed under ENCA. I'm not signed under Newsroom Africa. You know, I have my own opinions and my ability to see when something is wrong and calling it out. It does not only end with Tandeka. When Liema was still under the management from Eastern Cape, I talked about it. I've never seen Lily swearing on or insulting or trying to act like I'm some kind of inferior human being just because my house is not painted, just because I don't have makeup, just because I don't have whatnot. Hey, those things, they don't matter. The reason I'm even coming here without makeup, I can like look good on the makeup. I can do makeup. But I have come to realize that those things, they don't define who I am. They will never even define who I am. For you to actually say, hey, you're not this, you're not that, who do you think you are to tell me what to do with my own life? This is my own life, my own platform. I decide what I post, when I post it, and how I say it. I'm not starting any rumor. I'm debating on something that is already there publicly. Something that people have been debating on. Was not your fan favorite or your favorite, not your fan favorite, your favorite. I think they were talking about bread or something, telling Didn't to shut up and go and look for men, and you think that is okay. I'm questioning your thinking capacity because you're calling yourself a thinker, but you're not even. Uh, Maybe you are an amoeba because how? Like how? How don't you see that is bullying? And you're saying she was defending herself from who? Didn't. What didn't do? I can understand Liema. I can understand. Oh, Big Brother was making her a villain. Okay, Big Brother said that they must talk about bread, and then Tandeka, when you must say, didn't let must go and talk to men because that's what she does good. Really? Then if it's Big Brother who's made her say those things, why is Brother not commenting on those things? The production. Sometimes we have to use our brains. We can fangirl however we want, we can do whatever we want, but at some point you need to use your brain. Or like, does this make sense? Do I really have to go all the way just because I love someone to insult other people? What do you gain from that? Because at the end of the day, Tandega's money will not be transferred to your bank account. The donation that she's getting will not be transferred to your bank account. So what are you fighting for, my dear? Oh, you don't need the money because you're the one who's donating. But what are you benefiting at the end of the day? Because she's not even giving you guys enough content. You are crying on Twitter. You think that I don't have Twitter just because I'm in the villages. I do have Twitter. We've seen this thing. They've been complaining if some of the fans have left because there's no content. And when we talk about it, we are insulting, what. And today, when I praise her for doing good, you're telling me that I'm afraid of you. Who do you think you are, my dear? I'm not even afraid of you. Like, literally. I'm only afraid of God in this world. If you think that I'm afraid of you, then you don't know me. You know Ponsonik. You don't know me, who I am. Ne? Yeah. You know the online character. You know the online character that I'm playing. Maybe also, hence you are being like this, Tandeka, you know Big Brother character that Thandeka was playing, you don't know who Thandeka is, because now you cannot even read the room, you cannot even use your brain to think, well, this girl maybe is just commenting. This is commentary. I'm giving my opinions. And if you don't like it, I suggest that you leave. Just leave. Like, just leave. You're not even watching those. Like, you're a Tandegas fan. You're not even watching the video. You just see the thumbnail and the title, and then you go off. You don't even listen to the context of what is going on. You just go off. Yo, Aishem. Sometimes we need just to, be human beings. Before we are these people on the internet, we are sisters, we are mothers. And what actually saddens me is that my audience is people who are over 25. Majority of my audience are people between the age of 34 to 50 or 45. So you're telling me that a 34-year-old lady thinks that it's suitable to come here and actually have other kids being bullied? Don't you have children? Don't you have grandchildren? In South Africa, we know. You don't? Lucky you. So don't start with me. Like, guys, don't start with me. I'm very savage. I might be sweet, but I'm very savage. And I can't be blocking people. Like, you're old enough, like when to respect other people, especially people you don't even know who they are. You talk about, let me tell you, before I go to this mental health issue, I don't think there's any online troll that can shake my mental health. I've been through that. I'm done with that. Right? But you be screaming mental health. But the only person that matter in mental health that you're talking about is your faith. It's your faith. The rest of the world can go and die. It's fine. Hmm? Alishapu, man. Alishapu. 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 What I need from you guys is just unsubscribe. No, I don't need you. Like, I don't need you Italians. You can just unsubscribe. I'll still have my subscribers at 1,500. You don't even make 0.0% of my channel subscribers, but you think that you can tell me what to do. Hi, Bolina. You are relaxing. Chill. And while I'm still busy online trying to edit this video, I come across a comment that's saying that I'm one of Somizi's mouthpiece. To say I'm honored, which means I'm doing my job quite well, to be actually recognized. People will associate my name with one of the greatest entertainers in South Africa and all rounder, Somizi Mhlongo. How much I adore his work ethic. I might not agree with some of the things he's been accused of and some of the things that he's been convicted of, but otherwise I'm happy for my name to be associated with his name when it comes to the entertainment in South Africa. Thank you for your matter to thank you for your attention to this matter. You see, some music influence.